Welcome back to Panel Day Superheroes Ahoy. So today there's a small unboxing of a manga. There was an offer from BooksTech.com. So as you know, there's been a lot of offers on Indian manga sellers, and I saw some off, and I thought let me order some blind mangas. I don't really know much about, so I just order those. So this is the books. Nice. Some bookmarks. Always happy when someone sends bookmarks. Are you ready to start reading again? One more page. Believe in yourself a little. I found you. They're quite manga friendly bookmarks. It's alright to try. I think this is Jujutsu character. Okay, I don't know. And this is okay. Oh, I think this is quite a nice surprise. Okay, so this is Your Name. So I think it's a light novel, and I'm happy that these are all looking original. So that's great at the low price. So this is a light novel, Your Name. Then there is a Bleach book, Bleach 1. Surprisingly, they are all original. Looks great. These are very cheap, all of them. I think they like 4 books came around 900 or so. Bleach looks nice. Then I think there was Chainsaw Man 2 should also have been there. Okay, I think they have not sent 2. But let me see 3. 3 looks fine. Then there is this book. I had heard a lot about it. I Want to Eat Your Pancreas. It looks quite funny. And it's like is it a complete book? Yeah, it looks like that. So this is quite nice. I think this looks good. So not bad, these books. So one is this, then one is Chainsaw Man 3, then one is Bleach 1, then Your Name. So that's about it. Small unboxing from bookstech.com, and hope you like these books, and please share your thoughts on them. And thanks again, BooksTech, and thanks for these lovely bookmarks. I think this was the real surprise in this unboxing. Okay, that's about it. Thank you for watching Panel Days. See you in the next video.